Uncover the secrets of an inexpensive getaway. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase that many of you might have come across: inexpensive getaway. Whether you're planning a vacation or just dreaming about one, understanding this phrase will not only enrich your vocabulary but also help you in your travels. Let's get started. Inexpensive getaway is a phrase made up of two important words: inexpensive and getaway. Inexpensive means something that does not cost a lot of money. It's a more formal way of saying cheap, but without the negative connotation that cheap sometimes carries. It's all about finding value without spending a lot. Getaway, on the other hand, refers to a short holiday or trip. It's the idea of getting away from your daily routine or the stresses of life, even if just for a weekend or a few days. So, when we combine these two words, inexpensive getaway refers to a trip that is budget-friendly and doesn't break the bank. It's about finding those hidden gems and deals that allow you to relax and explore without spending a fortune. Opting for an inexpensive getaway can have several benefits. 1. Financial savings. The most obvious benefit is saving money. This allows you to allocate funds to other priorities, like saving for a bigger trip, investing in learning a new skill, or simply bolstering your savings account. 2. More frequent travel. By choosing budget-friendly options, you can travel more often. Instead of one big, expensive trip, you can enjoy several smaller getaways throughout the year. 3. Stress reduction. Knowing that you're not overspending can reduce travel-related stress, making your getaway more enjoyable and relaxing. 4. Creativity and exploration. Planning an inexpensive getaway often requires creativity. This can lead to discovering less touristy and more unique destinations, creating memorable experiences. Planning an inexpensive getaway doesn't mean you have to compromise on the quality of your experience. Here are some tips to help you plan a memorable trip without overspending. 1. Travel off-peak. Traveling during off-peak times can significantly reduce costs. This includes flights, accommodations, and even activities. 2. Use budget apps and websites. There are numerous apps and websites dedicated to finding the best deals on flights, hotels, and activities. 3. Opt for alternative accommodations. Consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or vacation rentals instead of expensive hotels. These can offer a more authentic and cost-effective experience. 4. Pack smart. Avoid extra fees by packing light and smart. This is especially important for airlines with strict baggage policies. 5. Explore local. Sometimes the best experiences are free or inexpensive. Exploring local markets, parks, and neighborhoods can be just as rewarding as paid attractions. We hope this video has illuminated the concept of an inexpensive getaway and inspired you to think creatively about your next vacation. Remember, traveling doesn't have to empty your wallet to enrich your soul. With a little planning and flexibility, you can embark on memorable adventures that are both affordable and fulfilling. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you on our next linguistic journey. Safe travels and happy learning!